talk about the risks associated with pesticide misuse, and the risks are, to yourself, to the environment, to your pocketbook, all those different kind of risks. And then in the very end, I'll give you some tools to help you stay safe and efficient and knowledgeable. Toxicology and exposure. So this is for people. So how does it affect yourself if you use it? What kind of PPE do you need to protect yourself if you need to protect yourself? How about bystander?
And he put the hammer down to get her done. But you can see that the plume behind his sprayer really extends far beyond, and it's really not a recommended practice.
Which product is registered in Canada? You have A, B, or C. Now take a very close look. I'll give you a few quick tips. You got like 30 seconds.
To access our full-day 8-video series on the Pesticide Applicator Workshop, become a subscriber and access all our videos anytime, anywhere.